The first thing I do is I check for like digital clips. So I open the waveform stats module. Possible clipped sample. Yes, indeed. There are over 200 clips. So I use the declip tool. There it is. And I just use the default setting. And I click the render button. Let's check the waveform stats again. And this time there are no clipped samples. Perfect. I do what everyone else is doing when it comes to voiceover. I cut out the lower frequencies. So I set the cutoff to around 100 Hertz. And render. Okay. Next step, let's do the declicking. So this is a standard declicking. And I put it to default, and I always use the multiband random clicks. Moving on, mouth declicking. This is a module that focuses specifically on mouth sounds, lip smacking, clicking sound made by the tongue, etc. And I just use the default setting here. Next, I do the voice de-noise. And it's adaptive, so that means that you just click the render button and this machine will automatically view the data and fix it. Next, I do the spectral denoising. Well, you can use it in adaptive mode, but I don't do that. I just untick this box. So let's find a section where there is some background noise. Here, for example, I just select background noise, and you can press the Shift button on your keyboard to select more areas, like so. And I click the Learn button. The curves are adjusted based on the sections that I selected. It's very important that you deselect by clicking once anywhere in the window. There are also some settings here, so you can change the settings, but basically this software is so good that it creates wonderful end results regardless of whatever setting I use. So I just use the default setting, and then I select areas where there are some background noise, and I teach the machine, I deselect, and I click the render button. That's good enough for me. See, now it removed even more of that background noise. What's next? We could work with the dynamics, because you see some parts are quite loud. Some parts are very quiet. So I open the loudness control window and I select video streaming delivery, and I press the render button. Now you can see that the quiet part is being raised and the loud part is, well, it remains at the same level. So we have a more adjust volume now. I press Ctrl S to save this, and I close the program. Then I open my video editing program and bring in the audio file into the timeline. All I need to do now is to record the actual video and put it on the video timeline, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget thumbs up, subscribe, or write a comment under the video. Please. All the best. Bye-bye.